Right, so now Jamaicans are huge for music, we know that, and thanks to Usain Bolt, we are well known. Well, not only Usain Bolt, we did kind of well known before that.
Long, the
Bob Marley
McKinleys and the
yeah,
Lems, yeah.
so we're known for track and field, but those aren't the only areas. Right now we put the spotlight on a few celebrities who probably you didn't know came from a Jamaican background. So watch this video.
Did you know that Jamaicans can be found on every corner of the planet? Here's a list of famous people you probably didn't know have Jamaican heritage. Number 1, Kerry Washington, more popularly known as Olivia Pope for her lead role in the mega hit TV show Scandal. Kerry Washington has a Jamaican mother. Number 2, the notorious Big. Christopher Wallace aka Biggie Smalls was the son of Jamaican parents Valletta Wallace, a preschool teacher, and George Latour, a welder and small-time politician. He was one of the most popular and well-known artists in the hip-hop industry. Number 3, Naomi Campbell. Naomi Campbell was born and raised in London. Her mother is Jamaican-born. Campbell dominated the runways in the early 1980s and continues to remain a force in the world of fashion today. Number 4, Patrick Ewing, retired New York Knicks NBA player and Hall of Famer. Patrick Ewing was born in Kingston and lived on the island until he was 12 years old. Ewing was a member of the U.S. Olympic Dream Team, winning gold medals in basketball in 1984 and 1992. Number 5, Al Roker. Al Roker is a beloved American television personality on The Today Show. He was raised by Caribbean parents, a Jamaican mother, and a Bahamian father. Number 6, Tyson Beckford. Tyson Beckford's parents are from Jamaica. He actually lived in the island until he was 7. He's an American model and actor best known as Ralph Lauren Polo model. Number 7, Cheryl Lee Ralph. Raised between Mandeville, Jamaica and Long Island, Cheryl Lee Ralph was born in Waterbury, Connecticut to an African-American father and a Jamaican mother. Number 8, Cannabis. Jermaine Williams, born December 9, 1974, better known by his stage name Cannabis, is a Jamaican-American rapper and actor. He rose to fame in the mid-90s. Number 9, Harry Belafonte. Oh, daylight come on, me want go home. Harry Belafonte sang these now famous lyrics in his classic 1956 hit, The Banana Boat Song. Belafonte's accent gave away his Jamaican heritage. He was actually born in New York City but lived in Jamaica from ages 8 to 13. And finally, number 10, Delroy Lindo. He is the son of Jamaican immigrant parents and was brought up in nearby Lewisham. His mother was a nurse and his father worked in various jobs. That's it for your Did You Know?